you preparing for Japanese Language Proficiency Test JLPT? I will be sharing JLPT tips and strategies regularly to help you pass. Subscribe, comment, and like this video. This is a part of ongoing JLPT tip series. こんにちは、ナオコ先生です。Hello, I'm Naoko Sensei from Naoko Sensei's JLPT School. Today, I'm going to share 3 important tips for JLPT. では、Let's go directly into tip number 1. はい、こちらは勉強を6ヶ月してください。Focus on your study for 6 months. Studying intensively over 6 months gives better result than studying lightly over 12 months. That's why my JLPT preparation courses are designed to end in 6 months. And then in the end of the course, you will receive a certificate of completion from my school. はい、The area of study has vocabulary, grammar, kanji, and letters, reading and listening for JLPT. Lots of areas, especially when exam day comes close. My students have a bit of anxiety. What to study? There are so many areas. Then you might feel overwhelmed and without feeling making a real progress. So my advice, tip number 2, 私のアドバイスは Focus on one area per day. So if you feel overwhelmed, try this. Study only one area per day. You decide, today I'm going to study kanji. Tomorrow I'm going to study grammar.Or next day is reading. This approach becomes especially effective just before the exam. いいですか？はい、頑張りましょうね。少しずつ一つのエリア。今日は文法、明日は漢字、明後日は読解、次の日はリスニング、聴解などですね。はい。Tip number 3. Study a little every day. Consistency matters for language study. So studying 20 to 40 minutes can be 1 hour daily is more effective than studying once a week for 3 hours, for instance. So you can set the program, your daily schedule and weekly schedule. I will study every day from 8 to 8:30 Japanese. はい。Or if 1 hour per every 2 days, you can do this. The key is make it a habit. It's to summarize. はい。Tip number 1, focus on your study for 6 months. Number 2, study one area per day. Number 3 is be consistent, little by little, but have a contact with the language as often as you can. I will be sharing practical JLPT tips like this, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Let's pass JLPT together. But one last thing I would like to say is a Japanese proverb. 塵も積もれば山となる。塵はゴミです。ね、It's like a dust. So, 塵も even the dust. 積もるは pile up ですね。So, even dust when piles up, it becomes a mountain. So, small consistent efforts lead a big result.So, 塵も積もれば山となる is a perfect for 日本語の勉強です。はい。ではみんな頑張ってくださいね。I'm offering a 6-month course for JLPT preparation N5 and N4. So, you can check this out at jlptlessons.com Naoko Sensei's JLPT School. ではありがとうございました。一緒に頑張りましょう。